Hello guys, welcome to our channel. I am Shri. I am going to say you about advantage and disadvantage of doing MBBS in abroad. Let's see. Nowadays, many numbers of Indian students traveling to abroad to do the MBBS are increasing. Because in India we have limited medical seats in government sector and private sector. In private sector we have huge amount of a tuition fees, so we can't able to afford, so many students are preferred to go abroad to do their medicine in lowest budget. Now we can see the what are the recommend to do MBBS in abroad. Number one, there is no donation to study MBBS in abroad. You have to only pay the admission fees to concern the college, and you should have checked the MCI approved college whether it is approved by our India government, and you should very consult very authorized consultant for going to abroad to study MBBS. Number two, there are plenty of seats available in abroad for Indian medical students because they are comparatively limited. 83,000 seats are allotted for Indian medical students according to their NEET rank marks. Number 3, budget friendly. Comparing to our Indian medical college fees, abroad has lesser fee. So MBBS in abroad is very cost effective based on a country you choose. If you choose UK, US, Europe, Australia, its country's medical college fees will be almost same as our Indian medical college. Number 4 will be global exposure. Every students like to explore a new country. If we able to go to new country and able to study in, it will be very much beautiful. Able to admire a new environment, but we are very much distant from our family. But we may exposure to a new environment and learn many things from that. Number 5 is advanced technology. Most of the countries offering MBBS in abroad for a foreign medical students as a high technology of a studying method. It has a 3D effect for a studying method and advanced lab like stimulation of a human models, etc. are highly developed in that countries. Number 6 is case study based analysis. Most of a medical college in abroad has practical session like interaction between the student and teacher will be most important for them because every period they could interact each other and learn further and more deeply to the subject. And for every class there must be only 11 to 15 student is only strength, but in likewise in India we don't have that much strength. We have huge amount of students in per class, and in India we practice more theory based method on. Number 7 is objective exam pattern. Like India, we follow only for competitive exam, we have objective exam pattern. But in abroad, in every day, the assessment could be in objective pattern only. It could be easier to interact with student and teacher in objective manner. Okay, now let's see the disadvantage of studying MBBS in abroad. Number 1 is MCI screen test. Most of Indian students and parents are feared to clear this test because while one student goes to abroad to study the MBBS and again come to India to practice, they must get license. For getting license, they could clear this exam. Because now this exam has been common for both Indian medical students and abroad medical students. Because the both students should get license to practice in India, they must clear this exam. Number 2 is language barrier. Learning local language has made compulsory for some of the countries like China, Germany, Italy, France, Ukraine, Russia. But most of the English speaking people are surveyed the most. For problem for a medical students is to for clinical rotation they must learn the local language to communicate with the people. Last for a medical students there will be a clinical rotation to treat a patient in a hospital. To communicate with the patient, they must learn the local language. Third is home food availability. Home country food availability is not 100 possible in a foreign countries. Is a major disadvantage for Indian medical student. But most of our hostel provide an Indian mess. But most of our students are like to self cook also. Fourth is disease variation. The tropical and non-tropical climate condition vary from a disease occurrence. But this Indian student may easily overcome it. Fifth is extreme climate. Few countries are with extreme climatic condition, but it is not a major disadvantage. People may adapt it easily. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys love this video. Please like and share, subscribe it.